Hey guys, I'm a Furby here. Welcome back to Pokemon TCG Online. Today, we are going to be opening 10 Sun and Moon booster packs. So, without further ado, let's get right into them. Alright, let's rip into our first pack. Alright, we've got a Shelter, Toga Damaru, Grubbin, a Pharaoh, Makuhita, Poison Barb, finally. I will be putting some of those in my decks. A Pelipper, a Timer Ball, Reverse Hollow Snubble, and Lantern. Alright. Let's open another one. Got Rock and Rolla, Marini, Rowlet, excuse me, Cosmog, Alolan Rattata, Araquanid, Poliwhirl, Nestball, Reverse Hollow Charge-a-Bug, and a Gumshoes GX. Awesome. Okay, let's get another one. Right, we got ourselves a Psyduck, an Eevee, a Cutiefly, Dratini, Spearow, Dragonair, Hypno, Lima, Switch, Reverse Hollow, and Primarina, non-hollow. Alright. Let's open another one. Right. We've got a Brawler. Trumbeak. A Reverse Hollow Professor Kukui. And a Golduck. Alright. We've got a Dewpider, a Diglett, a Alolan, we've got a Wishy-Washy, we've got a Rare Candy, a Reverse Hollow Fomantis, and a Butterfree, which I actually need in real life. Alright, let's open another. I believe this has been 6. I hope so. Alright, new we've got a Peaky Peck. Psyduck, I don't think I've shown that one yet. Hey, okay, let's see if I get this right. Shukumuku. Another Switch, Reverse Hollow Lillipup, and a Full Art Ilima. Right, not bad. It's one of the ultra rares, isn't it? Alright, let's see what else we get. We've got a Chinjao, a Bunsweet, Carvana, Ultra Ball, DCE, Porcella, Skarmory Reverse Hollow, and Lorantis GX. Excuse me. And I believe this is that textured version. I think this is one of the ultra rares. Not bad. Excuse me. Alright. We got double kicks down there. We got a Drowsy, a Alolan Meowth, Sandile. Alright, Reverse Hollow Rare. Is an Incineroar. And another Lantern. Lost count of the booster packs. Alright, we've got a Popplio, a Wingull, Growlithe, Owl, nice Spinda, which is a great card, a Passimian, Reverse Hollow Golbat, and another Gumshoes GX. Alright. After this pack, I'm gonna have to cut the video for a minute and go see how many packs we've opened. I don't remember. We've got a Lily, Crushing Hammer, Courier, Reverse Hollow, Toucannon, and Palisand. Alright, let me go check on how many packs we've opened. This might be the last pack. Alright guys, sorry for the confusion. I lost track when I was counting them. That was 10 booster packs. So, yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Until next time, this has been I'm a Furby, and I will see you guys later.